Now student, we start our second part of lesson 6, changes around us of standard 6 science. Now we are on page number 48. You must have seen a potter working on his wheel. आपने पॉटर को तो देखा ही होगा जो व्हील पर काम करता है. He sets a lump of clay into a pot. Can this change be reversed? क्या यह फिर से हो सकता है? He then bakes the pot in an oven. फिर वो जो पोट बन जाता है उसे ओवन में बेक करता है. Now, can this change be reversed? ये फिर से हो सकता है. Some common changes are given in table 6.1. Which of these changes do you think can be reversed? Now, table 6.1. Change raw egg to boiled egg. तो ये changes फिर से हो सकता है? No. बैटर टू इडली. अगर हम बैटर में से इडली बना लेंगे तो हम फिर से इडली में से बैटर बना सकते हैं? नहीं बना सकते ना, तो नो आएगा. वेट क्लोथ टू ड्राई क्लोथ. यस, इट मे बी हैपन. हम गीले कपड़े को सूखे कपड़े में और सूखे कपड़े को गीले कपड़े में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, तो इसमें यस आएगा. वूलन यार्न टू नीटेड स्वेटर. ग्रेन टू इट्स फ्लोर. नो, इसमें नहीं, नो आएगा. कोल्ड मिल्क टू हॉट मिल्क. इसमें यस आएगा. नाउ ये ऑनवर्ड सब है. अब हम जाएंगे 6.2. Could there be other ways to bring a change? We all seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. हमने सब टूल्स देखे हुए हैं, ये पिक्चर में दिखाया है 6.6 में, जिससे हम सॉइल को डिग कर सकते हैं. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in this tool is fixed to the wooden handle? The iron blade of this tool has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly on the handle. Such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart as shown in figure 6.7. अब जो ये चेंज हमको दिखाया गया है वो सेम एज कहाँ पे होगा? यहाँ पे कार्ट व्हील विथ मेटल rim fixed to it में. Again the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On heating, अगर हमें उसे गर्म करेंगे, the rim expands. rim क्या हो जाएगी? बड़ी हो जाएगी. And fits on the wheel. वो व्हील पर फिट हो जाएगी. Cold water is then poured over the rim. फिर हम उस पर ठंडा पानी डालेंगे, which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. वो जब ठंडी हो जाएगी तो व्हील पर एकदम टाइट हो जाएगी. अब हम पेज नंबर 49 पर हैं. When we heat water in a pan, it begins to boil after some time. अगर हम एक पैन में वाटर लेते हैं तो वो बॉईल होने लगता है after some time. If we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in the pan begins to decrease. जब हम पानी को उबालते हैं और ज़्यादा देर तक उबालते रहते हैं तो पानी की क्वांटिटी कम हो जाती है. The water changes into its vapor. वाटर क्या हो जाता है? Vapor. In activity 7, chapter 5, you have observed that water vapor gets changed into liquid water when it is cooled. We all have noticed melting of ice. Ice melt when it is heated. What does it change into? It is possible to change this water back into ice. Yes. अगर हम पानी में से आइस बना सकते हैं, आइस में से पानी भी बना सकते हैं फिर से. Let us observe some more changes. अब हम जाएंगे एक्टिविटी 7 पर. Take a small candle and measure its length with a scale. आप एक कैंडल लो और उसका मेजरमेंट करो स्केल से. Now fix it at a suitable place and light it. Let it burn for some time. आप कैंडल को लो, उसका मेजरमेंट करो, फिर उसे सम टाइम बर्न करो. नाउ ब्लो आउट द कैंडल. अब बुझा दो कैंडल को. एंड मेजर इट्स लेंथ अगेन. और फिर से आप उसकी लेंथ मेजर करो. कैन द चेंज इन द लेंथ ऑफ द कैंडल बी रिवर्स? यस, वो थोड़ी छोटी हो जाएगी. इफ वी वर टू टेक सम वैक्स इन अ पैन एंड हीट इट, कैन दिस चेंज बी रिवर्स्ड? यस. नाउ on page number 50, repeat activity 7 with an incense stick. Wait till it burns away completely. Incense sticks means अगरबत्ती जो होती है वो. What are the changes that occur in the incense stick? The stick burns to produce some new material. These are ash and some gases. We cannot see these gases but can sense them due to their pleasant smell. Can this change be reversed? And what about the change which occurs in the matchstick you use for lighting the candle or incense stick? So far, we have discussed the changes occurring in a given object or its material. What about the changes that occurs when the substances are mixed together? In chapter 4, we dissolve salt in water. Do you think a change occurred in salt or in water? Yes, water became salty. It is possible to reverse this change. Wait, in chapter 5 we learned how to separate salt from its solution in water. So can we say that the change due to dissolving salt in water be reversed? Paheli asks if you have ever seen curd being set. A small quantity of curd is added to warm milk. The milk is stirred and is set aside for a few hours at a warm place. In a few hours, the milk changes into curd. Can this change can be reversed? No. अगर हम मिल्क में से कर्ड बना सकते हैं, तो फिर हम कर्ड में से वापस से मिल्क नहीं बना सकते. We find that a few ways to bring about a change in a substance could be by heating or by mixing it with some other substance. We also find that some changes can be reversed while some other cannot be reversed. अगर कोई change reverse होता है तो कोई change reverse नहीं होता है. There must be many other ways of changing things around us. It is possible that some of them could be reversed. Thus, changes around us could be grouped as those that can be reversed or cannot be reversed. In higher classes, you will learn more about the ways in which changes can be made and the way these can be grouped. Now, children, we can end our lesson 6, changes around us. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.